So we're here in beautiful Kaneohe. And yeah, man, so same situation as the one on the bees on the ledge. We got bees in this blocking here, so we're gonna cut the nails out of the blocking, pop this sucker off, and say hello to our friends the bees. We'll keep y'all posted. Now that's the Honeybee Rescue team. Thanks for saving the bees. Hope you have a great day. Aloha. So cute. So we're at a bee removal today. Around this little dog. Checking me out. Hey there, pups. Cute little guy. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Come on, give us the title card. Give us the title card for this video. And wonderful. Okay, these guys have been here more than a day. That's for darn sure. We're gonna go down this ladder now. Get you guys a good, clean, crisp title card here. Alrighty, Honeybee Rescue team. So we got the blocking open, and these guys have been here for a little bit more than just a day. Wonderful. Awesome. So we'll get these guys out and into their new home. That bee box down there. Bring them back to the farm tonight. We'll keep y'all posted. Another one to the Honeybee Rescue team. Thanks for saving the bees. Aloha. Alright, let's get back up. Look for our queen bee. Where is she? Let us see where our queen bee may be. This comb is real soft. I want to try not to damage it. Put this down here for now. Now it gets real tricky when the comb is soft and there's buckets of honey in it. That's when it becomes a real big mess. And the comb is so supple that the moment you try to pull it off, it just bends and kind of falls apart. You get most of the guys on this front side here, so I'll swing my hand as I pull it out. And we'll go to the back and do the same thing. Usually I'm always looking on this piece first before I look at the one in my hand, just in case the queen might be on and trying to run away first. And then we'll check back in with this piece. Beautiful. Real gentle. Go vacuum back. since this thing is so light, like I could float this thing down to the ground if I want. And look at that. All right, back to rolling here. Now I'm looking around for the queen. Oh, there she is. I can see her all the way back there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's hanging out back there. I'm gonna grab my clip here. You can see her big old butt sticking out all the way back. Hey, Chief.
Yeah.
You think I could get some honeybee gone?
Right here in my hand.
Wonderful. I'm looking at her right now.
Spray it past her, let her move up.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Chief. All right, let's see her work her way out. And if we can catch her on the outside. Come on, Queenie. I see you there. You can't hide from me. I'm right here. Come to Papa. I don't know if you guys can see her, but wherever my light is pointed, that's where she's at, all the way in the back. She's being real stubborn with us. Can I get that bee gone one more time? Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Chief. All right, Queen, I see you. Walk to me. We'll save you. We'll bring you back to a farm. Give you a great life and free sugar water. We have benefits. 401k. Unfortunately, you won't get a day off, but it's built into your genetics. You don't take days off. Now you're just being stubborn. Now you're just being stubborn. Yeah, she's just being stubborn. I see her. Yep, there you are. Come on this way. At least close enough for me to say hello and put you in the clip for now. There you are. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. And we got her. All right. Don't worry, we have benefits. 401k, retirement planning. Don't worry, you're good. Oh yeah, it is. That is a shit shiznits ton of bees.
Probably needed
Welcome to the bug. Look at that cloud. Thank you guys for saving the bees. Hope you have a great day. We're gonna get this up on a ladder and come pick these girls up later on tonight. We'll keep you all posted. Another one for the Honeybee Rescue team. Aloha. Oh yeah. Wasn't expecting it to be this big of a squirrel. Get it up onto the ladder.